All right, now I'm taxing out.
Take off flaps.
Taking off.
Timer cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
Okay, low pass from the left.
Time remaining. 3.
Okay, low pass from the left.
Ray, are you recording?
Yeah. What's up?
I was trying to figure out the perimeter of the field.
Let's see that little,
I see this.
that thing, stay away
farther
from there. Always fly to the left of that.
Left, as in that way?
That way, yeah.
Oh, of course.
But
well, because there's the road back there.
There's somebody over there with horses or something, they don't like it.
Oh,
Other than that, don't really go, see where just see the circuit I'm doing right now?
Yeah.
Kind of somewhere in there.
You have to keep that close?
You don't have to, but I mean.
But you don't want to go over that
you don't want to go
on the car side, I suppose.
Right, you don't go that far out, yeah.
Alright.
If you got big stuff, it's easy,
No, I
you
got
know.
tiny stuff today.
Yeah, you'll be good.
Alright,
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's just, and it's with that, with the small planes, that red and white thing's a long ways away.
I see.
So you won't get to it.
Okay, good. Oh, and you have to stand at a pilot station? Or
Yeah, just standing here.
so
any
how many
one of these
people at one time?
I don't know if that's even anything we've established,
Right.
but yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Gear down.
Hey, touch and go from the left.
Time remaining. 1 minute. Take off flaps. Flaps up. Gear up.
Okay.
Seconds.
I'm good for a while. Take your time.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right.
Gear down.
Landing from the left.
Landing flaps.
Clear.
1 minute over.
You just answered my question.
Okay, what was that?
How much elevator you were using on the approach there? I could see it was nearly fully up.
Yeah, I use, depends on the battery you use too. I use it 4,000.
I put a 5,000 in mine. That was my maiden flight a little while
Okay.
ago, so
What brand?
it's Eternity.
Okay, so it might be a little heavy.
Yeah.
But if
But
it
sure
fits,
flies well,
you
though.
know, they fly wonderful.
Yeah.
The CG might be a little further forward on yours though, which would.
Yeah. I checked it and it is nose heavy, which
Okay.
is fine, but I think I just need to make the approach a little faster.
Yeah.
And shallower.
Shallower, yeah, and then use the elevator. I mean the throttle
Right.
to come in. It's one of my favorites to fly.